guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins hair. They sent me this gorgeous unit. When I tell you guys, I'm actually in love with this hair. It comes in 24 inches, but it's actually longer than 24 inches. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. It comes with 3 combs, and this is a 13 by 4, I believe. I'll leave all the information and everything in the description box down below. And look at how the hair is just bouncy. So here I've actually pushed the hair backwards. Got to be just so I can prep it, so I can bleach the knots. My mannequin head has been through a lot, girl, but she gets the job done for me, so that's fine. So I am going to cut off the combs, because you guys know I'm not really a fan of combs. You guys yeah, I'm gonna cut off the combs by the sides, but I actually left the one at the back because I feel like it just helps secure your wig a bit better. So here I've mixed my bleaching powder and everything, and this is after I've actually washed the lace with purple shampoo and let it air dry and all that stuff. And guys, look at how the hair is actually very thick and full. Like, this hair is just gorgeous. I've actually plucked this side off camera, and I'm just showing you guys the amount of parting space you have by the side. So if you're thinking of doing like a deep C parting or anything, that will be a bit difficult because you won't be able to do like a proper deep C parting, but like a normal C parting will be fine. So I'm just showing you guys my plucking method. I don't really pluck too much. Like, you guys know I'm not really a fan of the over plucking vibe, so I just keep it minimal because that's just what fits me, to be fair. So yeah, you guys see that's the amount I pluck, just a little bit, even though I can say that this wig came like pre-plucked, so you don't have to do too much to it. So I think I did a pretty good job, and these are the 2 products that I put on this hair. Only those 2, aside from the wax stick and all that stuff to style it. Only those 2. And please invest in this hair dryer because it's amazing. Like, it just gets the job done. I use it for my natural hair. This is not sponsored. I use it for my natural hair and for my wigs, and it just blows dry, like, blow dries the hair in like 20 minutes. And yeah, it's just so good. Like, it comes with 2 hot settings and 1 cool setting, and I feel like that's enough. You can't fry your hair. So I've actually parted my wig off camera, and now I'm just using my wax stick and my very hot comb to press it down, because we see I want this hair to be sleek. I want this look to be chef's kiss. I want it to be sleek, like really flat. Okay, we don't want bulky wigs around here. So I've actually straightened the wig off camera because I didn't want to bore you guys with all that process. And I'm just showing you guys how lush this hair is. Look at the shine. As I said, I only use those 2 products, which are 2 heat protectants, but I realized that the Fantasia heat protectant has like oil. It's like oil based, so you don't need to put extra oil on your hair. If not, it's going to be looking greasy and weighed down. So those 2 products just did me good. Like, look how the how the hair is just flowing, please. This hair is actually just amazing. Like, oh, I just love it. Now I'm just going with alcohol to wipe my hairline. Please be gentle because this video is sped up, but please be gentle just so you don't irritate your skin. I have very sensitive skin, so I took my time with this, to be fair, even though it's actually sped up. But yeah, I'm just plucking the excess hair at the front because yeah, that's not where my hairline reaches, and I don't want hair touching my forehead. Obviously, you need to customize your wig according to your hairline. Do you know what I mean? Like, yeah. And I'm just pulling out the excess hair out. I don't cut it. I mean you can cut it when you're cutting the lace, but I just pull it out. But be careful, just don't beep your lace and create like a hole there. So I've actually cut my lace off camera because I was not risking cutting it in front of that little mirror. So I need to be right like in front of the mirror because I'm not wearing my glasses, so I couldn't see. So anyways, I used 2 layers of ebbing to lay my wig down, and I am using the back of my comb to just press it in and just make it blend in very well. Then I'm gonna go with my blow dryer to just make everything dry better. Yeah, you guys see what I'm doing. So I repeated the same process for the sides as well. And yeah, I do not shave my sideburns, my natural sideburns. I do not shave them because I really love them. So I just lay my lace on it, and because I'm using ebbing, it's not going to rip my hair out. Okay, So yeah, just 2 layers of ebbing if you're really like someone like me that you don't like to keep your hair in for like more than 3-4 days, okay? But yeah, also, shall I say, the lace on this week is actually amazing. It is very, very thin. It blends in perfectly. I just put my foundation on the lace just so it can blend in with my skin tone. And it's just chef's kiss. Like, I actually just love it. Love, love, love it. Look at how the hair is just laid. Like, hello. And please get your hands on the spritz, okay? Even before using it, my wig is laid. After using it, the wig is just extra laid and the lace just disappears. Then I'm going with my elastic band because I couldn't find my melt band, but it's the same thing. It gets the same job done anyway. So using that and using my blow dryer on medium heat to blow dry the front part until you melt the lace in even more. And guys, please, hello, look at this. Ooh. So I'm going in with what's left on my foundation brush to like blend it in more. And as I told you guys, I wanted like a bust down, very, very slick look, okay? So I am going to define my parting. I know the parting you're seeing that is not bad, but I really wanted it like a bit more defined, okay? So I'm going with my hot comb. Hot comb is your best friend. Like, you need that to lay your wig flat, okay? Flat. So I'm just going with my hot comb to press everything down and lock everything in seamlessly, okay? And yeah. And I am gonna go with my concealer. I'm using Toffee because it doesn't match my skin tone, so I'm just using it for my hair to define that parting, okay? Oh, that parting is looking so good. Like, me watching it now is just looking so good. And I'm going with this instant root touch. I don't even know what's called, sorry. I'll leave everything in the description box down below. And this is in black, just to define the parting more. Again, parting, I don't know how many times I've said parting in this video, but yeah, just to define everything more and make it like really flawless and a very straight parting again. And I'm going with my mascara in case I couldn't see properly you know, the spaces or the spots that this thing didn't touch. And I'm using my comb to like brush everything in just so it's not like a black patch there or anything like that. And using my hot comb again to press it in all together, okay? So yeah, this parting, look at how straight that is. Like, that is straighter than a ruler. Please, thank you. So now my favorite part, baby hairs. Like, I love my baby hairs. Like, I really love my natural ones and the ones on wig. Like, I love baby hairs. I don't think I've ever done any look without baby hairs. Yeah, like, I really love them. So anyways, I'm just parting the baby hairs. I'm gonna pluck the excess hair out because yeah, it was just looking too dense. But just make sure you're careful just so you don't like create like a patch there or anything like that. And I'm using my wax stick to like press the hair back very well. And yeah, like, it just makes everything seamless and all that stuff. And I'm using my mini straightener to curl the hair inwards. You can do it outwards as well, but I just use any method. You can curl it in or curl it out with whichever one you want. And I'm using Eco Styler gel to lay down my baby hairs. I use mousse as well, but I couldn't find it. But Eco Styler works well as well because it doesn't leave your baby hairs crunchy or too sticky or anything like that. So just using my scarf to lay down everything, you know, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna go and, you know, just straighten it a bit more, the top part most especially, because I don't know why, but like, your wig just has to be seamless and flawless and flat, okay? And this hair is just so lush. Even though I've actually straightened it before, it's just, oh, it's just flowing. Like, I can't stop running my fingers through the hair, okay? But this hair is just so good. Like, and what really surprised me is the length. Like, the cord is 24 inches and this is touching my butt, and I'm 5'3". Like, yeah, I don't even know. Like, I've had 24 inches in the past and they're not even this long. Like, this doesn't even like 24 inches. So yeah, but this hair is so lush. Quality is amazing. Shedding is minimal and it does not tangle at the at my neck area. So that is a win-win, okay? just look how, like, the hair is just so nice and shiny, and oh, it's just so flawless. Look at the final look, please. I can't believe this hair is actually on my head. Like, this is just so nice, so nice. So I'm using what's left on my edge brush to like push the hair backwards. I did not use any extra products, so yeah. But listen, I can actually say I actually killed this install. Like, this install is just flawless. Hello. Thank you so much. Like, the wig, the lace, everything. The lace is just really amazing. Like, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh god, this guys, look at the pattern. Oh my gosh, yeah, like this hair is just actually amazing. I really love when I have like good wigs. Like, it just makes you happy. Like, when your hair is done, you're just in a good mood. Do you know what I mean? So I'm serving you guys some slow-mo clips there. I love me some slow-mos, okay? And yeah, like, this hair is just so lush. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna let you guys watch the remaining of this video. Thank you guys for watching, for your support, for your love, every single thing. And thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video, and I really appreciate all of you from the bottom of my heart. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.